Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is a exam question, midterm exam question. I can sure whether it's a midterm or final exam. But anyway, it is a question from CUHK question, which is how to calculate the multivariable calculus, the topic of multivariable calculus, calculate the gradient and the arc length of a curve. Consider that, let's look at this question. Consider the following parametric curve RT, which represent has the first one is xt, the second is yt, the third one is EZT. Then first one, calculate the velocity R pi. R pi, we only need to differentiate each part. Then the first one is t squared minus 1. The second 2t. The third one 0. This is R pi t. For the acceleration R pi t, we differentiate again 2t minus 2t. Yes, 2, 0. Yeah. Okay. For R pi, the length of R pi t, which is equal. Okay, let me. I think I cannot have enough space. Square root of t squared minus 1 squared plus 2t all squared plus 0 squared. After simplify this one, I can get the answer is t squared plus 1. Okay, for the second part, R pi 0 means put 0 into this one. T equal to 0 into this one. This is minus 1, 0, 0. And R pi 0 equal to put 0 into this is 0, 2, 0. And R pi 0, the length of R pi 0 is, oh yes, this is 1 only. Okay, for the third part, the arc length. In the arc length of a curve is defined as from the this to the, okay, I draw a curve. For example, this is A, this is B. Then y equal to fx. The arc length is equal to 1 plus dy over dx all square dx. Or from that domain A to B. Okay, yes, I better to dx all square plus dy all square. If change to the parametric form, then this is t1 to t2. Then dx over dt all square plus dy over dt all square dt. In this case, we have to use the parametric form. Then it means the arc length, I write here for the part 3, r equal to integration from negative 2 to 2. Then dx over dt all square plus dy over dt all square, square root dt. But anyway, this part is actually equal to this one. Therefore, as many times they write this form as the arc length of a curve in parametric form. That's why we use this format. And now I copy this one, t squared minus 1 all square plus 2t all square plus 0 square dt. Then the negative 2 to 2, the simplify this one. Okay, finally, the answer should be 1 over 3 times t to the cube plus t. Assign the value minus 1 to 2 into the function. Finally, we got the answer 28 over 3. This is our length for the curve. Okay, for part B. Part B, Ez x, y. Ez is a function of x squared and y, and x is function of t, y is function of t. Here, to use chain rule to calculate the dz over dt. dz over dt. We can use chain rule dz over dx. Then, I'm here should be right. 1z, 1t, 1x, then dx over dt times plus 1z, 1y, dy over dt. That is a chain rule. And I think that the answer I choose that one mixed with the terms x, y, z, also t. 1z, 1x is equal to this one. It's 1z, 1x. First, chain rule, chain the cosine means sine. Then defines the inside of x negative 2xy. Yeah. And then for dx over dt, we have to use product rule to d this function. T curve minus 2 plus t times 3 times t squared. That is the first part. Okay, for the second part, 1z, 1z, 1y, 1z, 1y, and this negative sine. Sine x squared y, and then differentiate the y, then x squared outside. And also chain rule dy over dt equal to negative 6t to the power 5. And then I simplify the answer here. 2 times xy, and simplify this part. This part should be equal to 4t cubed minus 2. Times sine x squared y, and then plus 6x squared t to the power 5 sine x squared y. Okay, I choose and I stop here. This is the answer. Okay, hope guys can enjoy this video. If you found Dr.K.Liu Maths channel is useful, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.